Well, we've rolled the AquaDam off the bank. We've got water in the little AquaDam that goes under the pipe, and now the water's filled up on this side of the pipe, and it's about to go over, and we got 12 inches to go. We got to hold that pipe in place, or the water filling on the one side will just push the pipe out of the way. So that's why we've got the two excavators holding the pipe in place. As the water pressure inside the AquaDam is pushing on it, we have to counteract that pressure, and that's what the two excavators are doing. And the water's coming on this side. It's already moved the AquaDam over. And it's filling up good. We've only got two little hoses going into one on each side. The dam's all the way over the pipe, and it's rolling up the hill. So everything's going to plan. Looks great. We don't like to put the dam right to the end of the pipe. That'd be a no-no. Water's going to undermine the end of the pipe here when it flows into the pipe. So we don't want the dam there because there's going to be a hole. This pipe isn't connected yet to the first pipe under the AquaDam, which is way up there on the other side of that bridge. And now we're going to put another AquaDam on the other end of that big long pipe, right to there. There we are, we're all done. They got to get the excavator out.